So now let's start with gate questions on combinatorics. We have already seen the concepts, probabilities, permutations and combinations. Now we will see gate questions on them. Okay, so this was asked in way back 1990 1 mark question. Okay, so the question is the number of binary strings possible of n zeros and k ones. So binary string can be either 0 or 1. Okay, so n zeros are there and k ones are there. That the concept is that no two ones are adjacent. So no ones are adjacent to each other. Okay, so more than one ones cannot be adjacent. So what we can do? So let's think logically. Okay, so two ones cannot be adjacent to each other. So what we can do? So there are n zeros present. Okay, so let's first arrange this n zeros in a row. Okay, so n zeros can be arranged. So let's say one 0 is put here, another 0 is put here, like this nth one will be put here. Okay, so how many positions are there left for k ones? So this position, this position, this position, this and this. So total n plus 1 positions are, positions are there. Okay, so in this n plus 1 positions, it's leaking. So okay, so then we have n plus 1 positions and we can put k ones in this position. So total n plus 1 is total number of position. Among this we can put k ones there. So this is our given choices. Okay, so among this is our total thing, that n zeros, total string of n zeros and k ones, that two ones are never adjacent. So this is our given answer. So option is option A. Okay, so now let's see this example question. Okay, so not example, so this was asked in 1994 2 marks question. So options were given then. So it was also asked in 1989. So in that paper options were not given. Okay, so the thing is, back then there used to be subjective question, so you have to write it down. So so the question is number of substrings of all lengths inclusive. Okay, so all lengths inclusive. So this is given. So now substrings, we will see substrings and stuff, everything, strings and everything in theory of computation in more details. But here, as you know, there is a string, and if you take a part of it, that is a substring. Okay, that can be formed from a character string of length n. So total number of substrings they are asking. Okay, so now for n such letter, in length of, let's say string in length is equals to n given. Okay, so now if we have to find a substring of length 1, n such substrings will be present. So now and for substring of length 2 will be n minus 1. So next substring of length 3 will be n minus 2. So this will go on. So now next is substring for length n, that will be 1. So plus this total. So this is actually n into n minus 1, n minus 2. This is, if we turn it around, 1 to n, sum of natural numbers, all natural numbers. So natural numbers, real numbers, we have already seen in set theory and algebra. Okay, so this is basically n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so thing is, this can be our answer, but the thing is, they have missed somewhere that we have to do another plus 1 also. So why this one is coming? So let's say for example, substring of length sigma. So sigma and everything we will see in theory of automata, theory of computation. Sorry, this is basically no substring is there, means 0, no element is present. So for this case another one substring can be done. Okay, so this is basically this 1 is coming. So I don't know, somewhere it is written +1 was there and somewhere it is written +1 was not there. So anyways, these are not the answers. So if you don't want to do all this process, see, after doing practice this will be memorized in your brain. Okay, so the thing is, it happened to me and I guess it will happen to you. But the thing is, if you don't want to go in such depth and everything, so you can just take any thing like x, y, z. So our string will be of length 3 and you can check the options out. Okay, so substring of length 1 is this, substring of length 2 is x, y, x, z, then y, z, like this. You can see like this. Okay, so you can find out, you can put that number here and you can get the answer. So anyways, because options are given to you, the options will be given to you. If some case options is not given, you have to put NAT questions, then you have to do all these things, or else you can just go for this also, whatever you choose. Okay, so finding the correct answer as first is our priority. We'll see some more questions.